To add Apple Pay contactless payment, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay, such as an iPhone or Apple Watch. You also need a bank or credit card that supports Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your device. If you cannot find the Wallet app, you can swipe down from the middle of the screen and type Wallet in the search bar. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to add a new card. Then select Continue and choose the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Now, use your device's camera to capture your card information or enter it manually. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of your bank or card issuer. Your bank or card issuer may require you to verify your card, which can be done through a text message, email, or phone call. Once verified, tap Next and your card will be added to the Wallet app. To make a purchase using Apple Pay, simply hold your device near the contactless payment terminal, with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. You can also use your Apple Watch by double-clicking the side button and holding it near the terminal. It is essential to keep your device and card information secure by using a passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID, and by monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps, you can easily add Apple Pay contactless payment to your device and start making convenient and secure transactions. Remember to always check with your bank or card issuer for any specific requirements or restrictions on using Apple Pay.